got a DM this week that I know a lot of homeowners are secretly thinking. If my whole house is gray, am I stuck in 2017 forever? Good news, no, you are not. Your house is not broken, your budget does not need a panic attack, and gray does not need to be evicted. It just needs better company. I'm Kelly Pearson, a realtor based in McKinney, Texas, and after 15 plus years in real estate, I can tell you this. Buyers absolutely notice when a home feels cold, dated, or overly one note. But they also notice when a home feels warm, current, and easy to move right into. So today I'm showing you how to take an all gray home and make it feel updated again without ripping everything out or spending money your house did not personally earn. 5 fast updates, biggest payoff first, and yes, they actually work. Did you know warm neutrals are having a real comeback right now? The National Association of Realtors says 2026 color trends are leaning beige toned, creamy, and earth-inspired. And Zillow still recommends light neutral tones like warm beige, grayish, and soft gray because they appeal to a wide range of buyers. So if your goal is current and resale friendly, warmth is not random right now. It is exactly where the market is leaning. Fun fact, your light bulbs may be the reason your gray house feels like it is emotionally unavailable. Energy Star's lighting guidance labels 2700K as soft white, 3000K as warm white, and 4000K to 4100K as cool white. So if your house still has cooler bulbs everywhere, swapping them warmer can soften the entire room before you buy one pillow, one rug, or one new bar stool. Did you know 61% of experts recommend warm neutrals like beige and white to make small spaces appear larger? NAR says warm neutrals can reflect light, visually recede, and make a space feel calmer and less overwhelming. One more quick reality check. Warm neutrals are not just easier to live with, they also photograph beautifully. NAR's 2026 design coverage specifically notes that soft creams, warm grays, and natural wood tones can make listing photos feel inviting and updated, which is exactly what you want if selling is even remotely on your radar. So here's the takeaway. You do not have to fight your gray house. You just have to warm it up strategically. And a few smart paint moments can shift the whole vibe without turning this into a renovation saga. I'm Kelly Pearson, and if you're in McKinney, Allen, Frisco, or anywhere around North Texas, and you want to know which updates are actually worth doing before you sell, that is exactly what I help people figure out. And subscribe, because in the next video, I'm getting into the home updates people spend money on that do not always help resale the way they think they will. That one is going to save somebody from a very expensive oops. So stay close, send this to the friend whose whole house is 50 shades of gray, and I'll see you in part 2.